Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add priority in Asana. So this is very simple. First open up your project. So I will open my tutorial project, and here I have my to-do list. Now in order to add a priority to some of these tasks, I will have to go right here to priority field and click here next to this task to add a priority low to this task. To this task I can add medium, and to this one I can add high. I can even edit these options. So let's say I don't like high, I want to edit it and rename it to extremely high. Okay, you can even add a option if you want to be unimaginably high, I don't know, whatever. And you can delete the field as well or save changes right here. So this is basically how you add a priority in this Asana app. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.